Yes, good evening, student. I'm happy to welcome you to this our class of site management. The previous class we talked about materials control, but now in this class we want to talk about tools and equipments. As you know, we have various types of tools ranging from cutting tools, sharpening tools, and any other. In this topic, we are required to talk about types of tools, classifications of tools, classification of tools. Then again, we are required to talk about methods of maintaining tools, maintenance of tools and equipment, Then we talk about machine tools. Where under machine tools, we have different types of machine tools like the lathe machines and any other. Then we have the hand tools, and any other. So when we talk about tools and equipment, let's start by tools. See? These are mechanicals. These are mechanical devices. That are used to ease the work activity. So we have types. Let's talk about classification of tools and equipments. Classifications of tools and equipments. Then we have the hand tools. Under the hand tools, we can have the hammer is a hand tool. We can have the pliers as a hand tool. We can have the screwdriver as a hand tool. Then we can have the pipe wrench as a hand tool, and any other. Then the second one, we can have mechanical tools. Where under mechanical tools, we can have the lathe machine. We can have the cutter and any other tools. Then let's talk about maintenance of tools and equipment. One say wash tools and equipments. After use. Then say lubricate movable part. Lubricate the movable parts of different tools and equipments. Say ensure that the fixed part of the tools the fixed part of the tool is in the correct position, before starting operating such tools and equipment. Then you can say change the oil on the machines frequently. Then say always ensure that you use the correct tool and equipment in the correct work. So if you want to hit always hit using a nail, but don't for example, if you want to drill a nail inside a timber, always use a hammer. Don't use a pipe wrench when nailing these nails into the timber. So use the correct tools for the correct work. So this is number 5. The next maintenance of these tools, you can say repair the worn out parts of the tools immediately. So if you find there's any part of the machine that is loosened or that needs to be repaired, then always repair it immediately. Don't wait such part to be more loosened, then it's when you want to repair such point. So from there we'll now mark our first topic in the topic of tools and equipment. The next class we'll be talking about these tools into details, like the hand tools. We will have to discuss each one of them into more details. Thank you.